When I was in school, being queer just wasn't talked about.
When I was in school, I didn't hear words used to describe people like trans or non-binary, and I felt alone and isolated.
The only time I ever heard the word gay in secondary school was as an insult.
I never heard words like trans and intersex in school, so I had to learn all of that on my own.
There's been a lot of significant progress made for LGBT rights over the years, but most of those rights pertain only to adults. The research shows that exclusion and bullying for LGBT young people is still a huge problem, particularly in schools.
We are ShoutOut. We are a community of volunteers dedicated to improving the experiences of LGBTQ+ students in schools across the island of Ireland. We're the only organisation doing this work which specifically delivers workshops to target LGBT-phobic bullying in schools all across Ireland. Since our beginning in 2012, we've delivered 850 workshops to over 25,000 students. That's one way of measuring the impact with just numbers, but you can instantly see the difference a workshop makes at the end of every session.
At ShoutOut, we've experienced a large increase in the demand for our services, but we're still a tiny organisation working on extremely limited resources. That's why we're asking you for your support, so we can reach schools no matter where they're located and make sure that LGBT young people are being included.